Hi friends, welcome back to next session of alcohols, phenols and ethers. In this session, we discuss about preparation of phenols. See here, first method from chlorobenzene by Dawes process. Okay, this chlorobenzene is reacts with sodium hydroxide at 6 to 3 Kelvin temperature and 150 atmosphere pressure, then it gives sodium phenoxide. See here, from Cl is replaced by this ONA and it gives sodium phenoxide. Okay, then this sodium phenoxide is acidified with dilute HCl and it gives phenol. Okay, from this ONA, this Na is replaced by Cl. Okay, and it gives the OH and this NaCl. Okay, in this way phenol is prepared from this chlorobenzene. Then second method from cumene. Cumene is also called as isopropyl benzene. See here the structure of cumene. This is the isopropyl group attached to this benzene. It is also called as cumene, isopropyl benzene. This isopropyl benzene is oxidized by air in cobalt naphthalate at 423 Kelvin temperature. Then it gives cumene hydroperoxide. See here the structure of cumene hydroperoxide. This is the cumene hydroperoxide. Then cumene hydroperoxide is acidified with dilute HCl. Acidified with dilute HCl. Then it gives phenol and CS3, C double bond OCS3. That is acetone. It is the byproduct and phenol is the main product. Okay. Then third method from benzene sulfonic acid. Okay. How phenol is prepared from this benzene sulfonic acid. Okay. See here. This benzene sulfonic acid is neutralized by sodium hydroxide. The sodium hydroxide, it is a base, and then benzene sulfonic acid, it is a acid. Hence it is neutralized to give a salt sodium benzene sulfonate. See here, sodium benzene sulfonate and water. As you know, this neutralization process we have already seen in the 11th class. Neutralization, it is the process in which acid reacts with base, then it gives salt and water. Okay, then this sodium benzene sulfonate is fused with again sodium hydroxide at 573 Kelvin temperature. Then it gives sodium phenoxide. See here, from this SO3 group, it is replaced by oxygen atom and it gives the ONA, that is sodium phenoxide. And this Na, it is treated with this sulfide group and it gives the Na2SO3 and S2O, that is sodium sulfide. Okay, then this sodium phenoxide is decomposed by dilute HCl or dilute H2SO4, then gives phenol and NaCl. And see here, this ONA group, from this ONA, this Na is replaced by hydrogen and it gives the OH. Okay, and this Na reacts with Cl, it gives NaCl. Then next preparation from aniline. This aniline is reacts with nitrous acid. This nitrous acid, it is obtained from sodium nitrite and hydrochloric acid. It gives the nitrous acid. Okay. Then this aniline reacts with nitrous acid in cold condition at 273 Kelvin temperature. Then it gives benzene diazonium chloride. This is the benzene diazonium chloride and water. This benzene diazonium chloride hydrolyzed by dilute H2SO4 sulfuric acid and it gives phenol. In this reaction, nitrogen is liberated and HCl is obtained. Okay. In this way, it is the prepared phenol from aniline. Then we discuss about the physical properties of alcohol and phenol. Number one, physical state. This alcohol is colorless toxic liquids having characteristic alcoholic odor. Okay. In this case, lower alcohols are liquid in form, but higher alcohols are solid form. Okay. Then phenol, it is also colorless toxic solids. They are the needle shaped structure. Okay. And having characteristic phenolic odor. There is characteristic phenolic odor. Then solubility. This lower alcohols up to carbon number first, second, third. These lower alcohols and phenols are appreciable soluble in water. As you know, this alcohol, आपको मालूम होगा कि अल्कोहल में अक्सर करके लोग क्या करते हैं, सबसे पहले वाटर मिलाते हैं तब ही लेते हैं. तो इस तरीके से ध्यान में रखोगे कि अल्कोहल जो है, लोअर अल्कोहल है, ये कैसा रहता है, ये लिक्विड फॉर्म. ओके. देन दिस solubility of alcohols and phenols is due to the formation of hydrogen bonding between alcohols and water. Okay. See, the solubility of alcohols is due to the formation of intermolecular hydrogen bonding between alcohols and water molecules. See here, this is the alcohol molecule ROH, in which this H2O is attached by or bonded by this intermolecular bonding. This is the intermolecular hydrogen bonding. Dotted line, this dotted line, it is the intermolecular hydrogen bonding. In case of phenol, see here, this is the dotted line. This dotted line, it is the intermolecular hydrogen bonding. Okay. Then we discuss about the next topic, the next point, that is boiling point. Okay. Boiling point of alcohols and phenols increases with increase in their molecular masses. Okay. Suppose lower alcohols, the boiling point of lower alcohol, it is smaller than the higher alcohol. Okay. Next point, boiling point of alcohols decreases with increase in branching in carbon chains. For example, N-butyl alcohol, then isobutyl alcohol, tertiary butyl alcohol, secondary butyl alcohols. Okay, these are the examples. Okay, in this way. In this way, physical state and preparation of alcohol is preparation of phenol and physical state of alcohol and phenol is completed.